Yes, dahil isang beses lang sa isang taon, dumadating ang birthday ng isang tao.
Not for Mariel.
Gagawin natin very special ang entertainment live. Ibigay muna natin kay Bianca Luis. Ikaw talaga. Oo, dahil birthday mo, may pinrepare kami na talaga namang gusto namin na ma-surprise ka. Because we love you, this is for you. Watch this.
Makinig kayong lahat. Sineselebrate natin ngayon sa E-Live ang special birthday ni Bianca. Nangihinahing lang talaga ako kasi hindi ako makapunta dyan eh. Kasi naman, super hanga talaga ako sa kanya. One of the most beautiful faces in the industry. Ipinagmamalaking versatile host of this generation. Trusted and awarded by numerous organizations and award-giving bodies. Siya ay certified idol ng kabataan and one of the best hosts para sa akin. Kaya naman, ngayong birthday niya, meron akong engranding surprise para sa kanya. At sigurado ako matutuwa siya. At hindi lang yun. Sobrang kikiligin siya sa gagawin ko.
Kasi, ano yan eh, isa siya sa mga taong pinaka-nai-excite sa lahat ng pinagdadaanan namin. When we got together, engagement yung kasal. Next time kayo naman ang dumalaw sa amin mag-dinner. Sama mo si ano, yun na.
Si Bianca, ang little sister talaga ni Ryan. Mahal na mahal ni Ryan yan si Bianca. Kung may isang bagay na magiging pinakamasaya si Ryan, yun yung makita niyang masayang-masaya si Bianca sa buhay niya. To Bianca, ipagpatuloy mo ang pagiging masaya mo. I know that you're happy now with your life, with your career, and with everything that's happening to you. You deserve it, Bianca, and God bless you always. Looking forward to more years of friendship.
Happy birthday.
Birthday greetings from San Francisco. I am always happy every time I see you happy with your career, with your love life. Reminder lang, always pray. Ang gusto ko, you will continue to be generous. So noong pa, I know you big heart, continue to do that. Thank you for being generous to us and to other people. God bless you always, Samar. Love you.
As a sister, she's very sweet. She's very maaalahanin, and she's very, very generous. Ivy, I wish you happy birthday and hope you have many more projects and so that you can afford to visit me when I leave. Happy birthday!
Bianca, happy birthday, Uy, pwede ka bang makatandem minsan sa tambalan kasi on leave si Sanchez eh. Si Webb, minsan on leave din. Baka pwedeng Filon at Sanchez on leave, Webb left, Gonzalez is in the house. Pwede kaya yun? Subukan nga natin. I wish you all the best from the heart.
Hi, Bianca! Happy birthday sa'yo. I know that you're an avid listener of Tambalang, Filon at Sanchez. Sorry matagal na akong wala doon. But it's really an inspiration for somebody like me to have a listener like you. Ngayon pa lang sa bata mong edad, napakarami mo ng parangal. At kinikilala ka na bilang isa sa mga respetadong mga personalidad sa telebisyon. So I wish you a lifetime of adventure as I have had, and I just hope that whatever happiness that I have found myself in this career, you will find in yours.
Bianca, this is for you. Happy birthday, Bianca.
You deserve all that and more.
Happy birthday, ate.
I love you more. Binuhold ni Mariel yung tears niya.
Ayoko nga umupo. First of all, sobrang thank you sa everyone at E-Live. Thank you, sobrang love na love ko yung VTR na yon. Teka lang naman. Of course, Ryan and Juday, I love you both so much. Magdi-dinner tayo soon. Thank you to my mom and to my ate. Thank you. And
Sobra ako na-starstruck. Sir Ted, Ma'am Corina, thank you so much. Talagang gusto kong YouTube papanoorin ko yung video na yun over and over again. Thank you so much. And of course, talaga, everyone, Sir Louis, Sir Roxy, Ate Lani, Ate Gia, Ate Jazz, Miko, everyone, Direct Arnel, Ate LV, thank you. I love you, Eli family. Thank you for the flowers. Ate Grace, thank you. Of course, Pinoy Big Brother, everyone, lahat ng mga kapamilya namin dyan, syempre, sobrang mahal na mahal ko kayo. Direct Lauren, Tita Linggit, the whole staff, thank you so much. Everyone at Y Speak, thank you so much. I love you. Everyone at Cinema One, everyone at TFC Connect, thank you. And of course, gusto ko i-take yung chance to i-thank ang aking backroom family dahil kung wala sila, syempre wala ako dito ngayon. So thank you, Tito Boy Abunda, Tito Bong Quintana, Miss Weng, Jamie, I love you so much. Thank you, Jet Valley also, of course. And my sponsors, thank you for the cake. Thank you, Fernando's Bakery, for the cake. Thank you to my Meg family, Sir Morris and Maricar. Thank you to Doctors Manny and Pai Kalayan. Thank you to the Kalayan Clinic in Makati. Alex Carbonell for my hair. I love you so much in Studio Fix. And of course, my family at Avon Mix. I love Avon. Maraming salamat.
Hindi pa tapos.
Yes,
Yung
hindi pa
surprise
tapos.
namin
Ay, may
sa'yo.
surprise.
May
Ito
mga
na ba
kanya-kanya
yun?
kaming regalo.
Oo. Luis, meron ka?
Meron ako, bakit?
Talaga?
Mamaya na lang yung last na.
Oo. Bibigay na ba natin yung gift
Bibigyan
natin?
Okay.
Ano?
Sino na mo?
Maganda yun sa'yo, maganda mo.
Lagay muna natin, lagay muna.
Ako na muna. Kasi yung sa akin pangkasal eh.
Oh, sige.
Si Mirna kasi yung rapper na nilagay, congratulations. So, ka-birthday
Congratulations,
naman ba?
may isa ka pang taon sa buhay mo.
Congratulations, tumanda ka.
Yay!
Yan. Ako, help me.
Ang nakasulat dun sa ano.
Overtime tayo, tayo. Switcher, hello.
Hindi, congratulations dahil. Wow.
Secretly, din ako, kahit na-overweight ako, kahit na may extra
Ay,
maleta
sobrang
ako.
cute.
Yes, kasi
Galing kami sa Nagpunta sila sa Hong Kong.
Oh, thank you. I love you. Yes, happy birthday.
Naiiyak ko isa.
Thank you.
Ako na, para
Sige.
Ako, very simple lang naman. Since you love traveling, I got you a mini bag tag with your name on it.
Wala akong ganito. Thank you.
Pero since
May
you don't like
cash?
traveling alone, pati si may bag tag din. Meron din.
You're so thoughtful.
Para if ever you travel
Tinatakpan
alone,
ni
di ba?
Luis yung card.
Thank you.
Oo, tingnan nga lang, nahuhulog natin mga bagay-bagay dito.
Thank you. Oh, may bagtag na tayo.
Oo, kasi yung sa... Ay, ang tara.
Ang taray.
His and hers.
His and hers.
Kasi si Bianca, ang hilig-hilig niya mag-travel and feeling ko makakatulong sa kanya to pag nakasakay siya sa plane or anywhere. So please open it. That's for
Laptop?
you. Hindi. Tama.
Ang desktop malamang.
Oh, alam mo na.
I love
my
you.
gosh! Wala akong ganito. Alam ko nga, wala nga siya.
Dami-dami mong show, wala ka.
Thank you, Tony. Nakakahiya. Kasi napaka-practical ni Bianca.
Sorry, super fast lang. I'd like to thank the Biancsters and Bianca's Angels and the Podgies. They're here now. Sobrang sweet ninyo. I love you. Thank you.
Okay, eto na talaga ang inaabangan ng lahat, Biax. Dahil kagaya na sinabi namin, super love mo mag-travel.
Smile,
Pero
Biax.
itong taong to,
Masumis ka.
hindi man siya makatravel papunta dito ngayon, meron siya isang special birthday greeting para sa'yo.
Feeling ko maiiyak ka dito, Bianca.
Finally, makikilala na natin siya. Finally, after so long.
Everyday na talaga.
Finally.
Grabe yung pagmamahal ni Bianca sa taong to.
Ako, witness ako.
Ako tayo. Tony,
witness
alam mo
ako.
yan. Yung pagmamahal.
Ang lalaking pinakamalapit sa puso ni Miss Bianca Gonzalez.
Pinaka-special.
First TV appearance niya. And we are very, very happy for you na he has come in your
Kinakabahan
life.
si Bianca. Parang alam. Okay, let's watch
For
this.
you, Bianca.
Happy birthday, Ninang Bianca! Yeah! Happy birthday! Visit me again! Visit me again, Ninang Bianca! Visit me again! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! How about some kisses for Ninang Bianca?
Hindi namin kinaya yung Bianca.
Love you. Thank you to my Eli family. I love you so much. Kala ko na hindi na ako iiyak. Ano ba yan? Nakakalok. Kasi sabi ko, Bianca is loco for Rocco.
Yeah, sobra. Thank
Everyday
you.
talaga, pag nababago yung screensaver niya, tapos sinasabi niya, ito, look at the picture, Rocco.
Ano ka ba? Na-Bluetooth din niya sa akin yung mga ibang picture.
Para,
Bluetooth.
akala mo anak
niya kung makapagpayabang
Hindi, kasi si Rocco po yung first ever pamangkin ni Bianca. And right after PBB, nagpabook siya ng flight. She went straight to San Francisco para makita niya si Rocco.
Rocco, Bianca
So,
is really
witness kami kung gaano niya kamahal si Rocco.
Thank you! Talaga, my whole Entertainment Live family. The best talaga kayo gumawa ng birthday plans, di ba? Sobra talaga the best. Thank you. At thank you din syempre sa Fernando's Bakery, Waffle Time, Winsky Enterprise, Cosmos Skin, Glutathione for our catering, California Berry Yogurt, Master Shomai, Jonathan of Sweethearts Balloons, and Junpyo, thank you so much.
Abot sa kanya. Bakit now? Text ka niya mamaya after.
Happy birthday,
Thank you
ate, at
again,
mahal
Bianca,
ka
Angel,
namin.
Fudgies. Thank you for coming.
Bianca, you blow your